Here we are, Upper Niagara River, 80 degrees. Water's only 37. Giant chunks of ice. And you got these guys going by on the jet ski. Whatever floats your boat. But I know I sure as hell wouldn't be doing that. You hit one chunk and it's all over. I don't care how good you are. Not worth it. FishingNiagara.com, updated reports, conditions. This guy picks up the leftovers, whoever falls off. May 8th, Friday afternoon, jet skiing on the Upper Niagara with giant chunks of ice floating by. You gotta be a little bit crazy. Good luck. Go fishing.